Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into today's crucial topic about diabetes, let's take a moment to familiarize ourselves with the symbols and colors you'll see throughout the video. First, you'll notice different icons appearing on your screen. A red exclamation mark indicates a critical warning sign, while a green check mark signifies a positive or preventive measure. Colors also play an important role. Red highlights urgent health concerns you should pay attention to immediately. Yellow indicates symptoms that require caution and monitoring, and green is used for tips and advice on maintaining good health. These elements are here to help you quickly identify and understand the information presented. Now that you're in the know, let's get started with the 10 surprising symptoms of diabetes you need to know. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic that could save lives: diabetes. We're going to cover some surprising signs you need to look out for. Diabetes is a serious condition, but recognizing the symptoms early can make a huge difference. Early diagnosis can be life-changing. So stay tuned as we uncover 10 symptoms of diabetes you should never ignore. You know that feeling when you just can't seem to stay away from the bathroom? It's like your body has a mind of its own, and no matter what you do, you find yourself making frequent trips. This can be incredibly frustrating and even a bit alarming. But why does it happen? What could be causing this sudden urge to urinate more often than usual? For some people, it could be a sign of diabetes. Diabetes is a condition where your body either doesn't produce enough insulin or can't effectively use the insulin it does produce. This leads to elevated levels of glucose in the blood. When blood sugar levels are high, it can have various effects on your body, one of which is increased urination. Now, before you panic, let me explain. Frequent urination is just one of many symptoms of diabetes, and having this symptom alone doesn't necessarily mean you have the condition. However, it's important to understand the underlying mechanisms so you can take appropriate action if needed. When your blood sugar is high, like in diabetes, your kidneys go into overdrive. They work extra hard to filter out the excess sugar from your blood. This process requires a lot of water, which is why you end up producing more urine. Essentially, your body is trying to get rid of the extra glucose by flushing it out through your urine. Their job is to filter out the excess sugar, and to do that, they produce more urine. This is why you might find yourself feeling unusually thirsty as well. Your body is losing more fluids, and you need to drink more to stay hydrated. It's a cycle that can be quite exhausting and disruptive to your daily life. So, if you're making more trips to the bathroom than usual, especially at night, it's worth getting checked out. Frequent nighttime urination, also known as nocturia, can be a sign that something is off with your body's regulation of fluids and sugars. It's always better to catch these issues early on. It might be nothing, but it's always better to be safe than sorry. A simple blood test can determine your blood sugar levels and help you understand what's going on. If it turns out to be diabetes, there are many effective treatments available that can help you manage the condition and improve your quality of life. So don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional if you notice any unusual symptoms. Ever feel like you're constantly reaching for your water bottle? Like no matter how much you drink, you just can't seem to quench that thirst? It's as if you're so thirsty you could drink a gallon and still want more. This isn't just a random occurrence. It could be a sign that your body is trying to tell you something important. Well, that could be your body sending you an SOS signal. When your body is constantly craving water, it might be a sign of an underlying issue that needs attention. See, when you're losing fluids through frequent urination, which we just talked about, it can lead to dehydration. Dehydration isn't just about feeling thirsty. It can affect your overall health in many ways. Your body, being the smart machine it is, tries to compensate by making you feel thirsty. This is its way of ensuring you replenish the lost fluids, but if you're constantly feeling this way, it might be more than just dehydration. So if you're feeling parched all the time, even if you're drinking plenty of water, it's a good idea to talk to your doctor. Persistent thirst can be a symptom of various conditions such as diabetes or kidney issues. It's always better to get checked and be sure. Your doctor can run some tests to determine the cause of your excessive thirst. It might be something simple, or it could be a sign of something that needs medical attention. Either way, it's crucial to listen to your body and seek professional advice. Remember, your body is always communicating with you. Don't ignore these signals. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and always consult with a healthcare professional if something feels off. Now, I know what you're thinking. Weight loss? That's a good thing, right? Well, it depends. Weight loss can be a double-edged sword. On one hand, it can signify a positive change in your health, especially if you're actively working towards it. But on the other hand, it can also be a red flag for underlying health issues. If you're eating healthy and exercising, then yes, weight loss is usually a positive sign. It means your body is responding well to the changes you're making. Regular physical activity and a balanced diet are key components of a healthy lifestyle. They help you maintain a healthy weight, improve your cardiovascular health, and boost your overall well-being. But if you're losing weight without making any changes to your lifestyle, it could be a cause for concern. Unintentional weight loss can be a symptom of various health conditions. It might indicate that something is not quite right with your body. You might feel confused and worried, especially if you notice your clothes becoming looser or the numbers on the scale dropping unexpectedly. In diabetes, your body can't use glucose for energy as efficiently, so it starts breaking down muscle and fat for fuel instead. This process can lead to significant weight loss. When your body is unable to get the energy it needs from glucose, it turns to other sources, like muscle and fat, to keep functioning. This is why unexplained weight loss can be a warning sign of diabetes. This can lead to unexplained weight loss, which is definitely something you don't want to ignore. If you notice a sudden drop in your weight without any apparent reason, it's important to consult a healthcare professional. They can help determine the cause and guide you towards the appropriate treatment. Remember, your health is your most valuable asset, and it's crucial to pay attention to the signals your body is sending you. We've all been there, that feeling of being absolutely ravenous, like you could eat a horse. But if you're constantly battling intense hunger pangs, even after a filling meal, it could be a sign of diabetes. Here's why. Insulin, the hormone that regulates blood sugar, helps your cells absorb glucose for energy. But in diabetes, your body either doesn't produce enough insulin or can't use it effectively. This means your muscles and organs are starved for energy, triggering those intense hunger signals. Feeling tired all the time, like you could sleep for a week straight and still wake up exhausted. Fatigue is a common symptom of many conditions, but it can also be a sign of diabetes. When your blood sugar is high, your body struggles to use glucose for energy as efficiently. This can leave you feeling drained and lethargic, even after a full night's sleep. So if you're constantly battling fatigue, it's worth getting your blood sugar checked. Blurry vision is often a sign that you need glasses or need a change in prescription. But did you know it can also be a symptom of diabetes? High blood sugar can damage the tiny blood vessels in your eyes, leading to a condition called diabetic retinopathy. This can cause blurred vision, floaters, and even vision loss if left untreated. So, if you're experiencing any changes in your vision, don't brush it off. Schedule an appointment with your eye doctor ASAP. Ever notice that your cuts and bruises seem to take forever to heal? It could be a sign of diabetes. High blood sugar can impair your body's ability to heal and fight infections. This means even minor cuts and scrapes can linger for weeks or even months, increasing the risk of complications. So, if you're noticing any delays in wound healing, it's crucial to bring it up with your doctor. Tingling or numbness in your hands or feet might seem like no big deal, but it could be a sign of nerve damage, also known as diabetic neuropathy. High blood sugar can damage the nerves in your extremities, leading to these uncomfortable sensations. In the early stages, you might experience tingling, numbness, or a pins and needles feeling. But if left untreated, diabetic neuropathy can lead to more serious problems, including foot ulcers and amputations. So don't ignore those tingling toes. Have you noticed any dark velvety patches on your skin, especially around your neck, armpits, or groin? This condition, known as acanthosis nigricans, can be a sign of insulin resistance, a precursor to type 2 diabetes. Insulin resistance occurs when your cells don't respond properly to insulin, leading to high blood sugar levels. While acanthosis nigricans itself isn't harmful, it's a visual cue that something might be off with your blood sugar. No one likes getting sick, but if you find yourself battling colds, flu, or other infections more often than usual, It could be a sign that your immune system is compromised. And guess what? High blood sugar can weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to infections. So if you're constantly fighting off bugs, it's worth getting your blood sugar checked. A simple blood test can tell you a lot about your overall health. If you or someone you know is experiencing any of these symptoms, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional. Don't wait until it's too late. Early detection and management can make a significant difference in living a healthy life with diabetes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more informative videos. Stay healthy and take care.